Have you ever questioned how women have influenced the world of STEM? Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM, is a sphere that has been significantly enriched by the contributions of many revolutionary women. These trailblazers have not only broken barriers but have also set the stage for future generations of women in this field. Their stories are a testament to their resilience, intellect, and determination, and they serve as an inspiration to all. We will journey through time, highlighting the accomplishments of these inspiring women in the order of their emergence in the world of STEM. From the early days of computing to the exploration of outer space, these women have left an indelible mark on our world. Each woman has a unique story, a unique journey that led her to make groundbreaking contributions to her field. So buckle up and get ready for an enlightening journey through the annals of STEM history. Let's dive into the world of these revolutionary women in STEM, starting from the very beginning. In the early 19th century, Ada Lovelace paved the way for women in STEM. Born to a world where women were seldom seen in the realms of science and mathematics, Ada Lovelace defied the odds. Working alongside Charles Babbage, the father of the computer, she saw something no one else did. While others viewed Babbage's analytical engine as a mere number cruncher, Lovelace envisioned a world where machines could not only calculate, but also create. She believed that this engine could one day compose music, produce art, and even write poetry. This led to her groundbreaking work in creating the first algorithm, essentially laying the groundwork for computer programming as we know it today. Her visionary ideas were so ahead of their time that it took almost 100 years for technology to catch up. This remarkable woman, often overlooked in her own time, is now recognized as the world's first computer programmer. Ada Lovelace, a true pioneer in the world of STEM. Fast forward to the late 19th and early 20th century, Marie Curie made groundbreaking discoveries. Born in Poland and later naturalized in France, Curie dedicated her life to the pursuit of knowledge. Her relentless quest for understanding led her to the discovery of two new elements, polonium and radium, and to the development of the theory of radioactivity. Curie's work was so revolutionary that it earned her not one, but two Nobel Prizes. One in physics, which she shared with her husband Pierre Curie, and one in chemistry. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and remains the only person to have won in two different scientific fields. During World War I, Curie developed mobile radiography units, known as Little Curies, to provide X-ray services to field hospitals. Despite facing numerous challenges, including societal prejudice, Curie's passion for science never wavered. Marie Curie, a trailblazer in the field of physics and chemistry. Moving into the 20th century, we find Grace Hopper revolutionizing the world of computer science. Grace Hopper, a mathematician and rear admiral in the U.S. Navy, was a pioneer in the burgeoning field of computer science. She developed the first compiler, a groundbreaking tool that translates written language into computer code. This innovation paved the way for the creation of modern programming languages. But Hopper didn't stop there. She played a key role in the development of COBOL, one of the first high-level programming languages. COBOL was revolutionary. It made programming more accessible and laid the groundwork for many of the software systems we use today. In addition to her technical contributions, Grace Hopper was a respected leader in the Navy and a strong advocate for women in STEM. Her work has had a profound and lasting influence on modern computing, shaping the digital world as we know it. Grace Hopper, the mother of modern computing. In the mid-20th century, Rosalind Franklin's work was pivotal in understanding the structure of DNA. A brilliant scientist, Franklin specialized in a technique called X-ray diffraction, which she used to investigate the complex structure of DNA. Her diligent work led to the creation of a photograph, famously known as Photo 51. This image, though not immediately recognized for its significance, was instrumental in revealing the DNA's double helix structure. Franklin's contribution was initially overshadowed, her work not receiving the recognition it deserved during her lifetime. But today, we understand the magnitude of her contribution. Without her meticulous research and the critical photographs she produced, the understanding of DNA's structure might have remained a mystery for a longer time. Her work laid the foundation for many scientific breakthroughs, including the understanding of genetic diseases and the development of treatments. Rosalind Franklin, a key player in one of the greatest scientific discoveries, truly was a trailblazer in the world of STEM. Moving into the world of biology, Jane Goodall revolutionized our understanding of primates. This remarkable woman ventured into the wilds of Gombe, Tanzania in the early 60s to study chimpanzees. Her groundbreaking field research shattered a multitude of misconceptions. She discovered that these fascinating creatures use tools, a trait previously believed to be uniquely human. Her observations also unveiled the complex social structures of chimpanzee communities, providing profound insights into our own human behavior and evolution. Goodall's work is a testament to the power of patient observation, and her findings continue to influence the field of primatology today. But her contributions don't stop there. Goodall is also a fervent champion of conservation. She founded the Jane Goodall Institute, a global organization focused on empowering people to make a difference for all living things. Through her continued efforts, she encourages us all to understand, respect, and protect the natural world. Jane Goodall, a true pioneer in primatology and conservation. In the late 20th century, Mae Jemison broke new ground as the first African-American woman in space. Her journey to the stars was marked by tenacity and a passion for science. Growing up in Chicago, she was fascinated by the mysteries of the universe and set her sights on becoming an astronaut. Jemison's determination led her to Stanford University and then to Cornell Medical School. After serving as a medical officer in the Peace Corps, she achieved her childhood dream in 1992 when she flew aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour. But her journey didn't stop there. After leaving NASA, she established the Jemison Group to encourage science education and technological innovation. She also founded the international science camp The Earth We Share to help students improve their problem-solving skills and foster a love for science. Mae Jemison, a trailblazer in space and on Earth. She has blazed a path for future generations, demonstrating that with determination and passion, the stars are within reach. These women have not only made significant contributions to STEM, but have also paved the way for future generations. Ada Lovelace, the enchantress of numbers, gave us the very first algorithm, laying the foundation for computer programming. Her vision of a machine capable of creating anything that could be described in symbolic language still resonates today. Marie Curie, a woman of radiant intellect, braved societal norms and personal hardships. She discovered two elements, polonium and radium, and her research on radioactivity revolutionized medical science. Grace Hopper, our very own amazing Grace, was a trailblazer in the world of computing. She developed the first compiler and contributed to the creation of COBOL, one of the earliest high-level programming languages. Rosalind Franklin, the unsung heroine of DNA, gave us the first clear X-ray images of DNA, which helped shape our understanding of the building blocks of life. Jane Goodall, the voice of the voiceless, revolutionized our understanding of primates. Her groundbreaking research on wild chimpanzees showed us that we are not the only species capable of using tools, changing the course of animal behavioral studies forever. Mae Jemison, a shining star, took the dream of countless little girls with her when she journeyed into space. As the first African-American woman astronaut, she turned the impossible into the possible. These women didn't just change the world of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, they changed the world, period. They faced adversity with courage, challenged the status quo with their innovative ideas, and inspired countless others to follow in their footsteps. They are not just heroes of STEM, but heroes of humanity. It's on us to carry their legacies forward, to support and promote women in STEM. For it's in the diversity of minds that we find the spark of innovation. It's in the face of adversity that we find courage. And it's in the stories of these women that we find inspiration. As we continue to break barriers and push boundaries, who knows what the next generation of women in STEM will achieve?